So I'm in the middle of editing my push-up video here, and I just wanted to say that I've also developed a whole shoulder routine and upper back routine, and I call it the stretch and pulse routine for your shoulders, back, neck, etc. And it has to be added into doing the push-up progressions too. It doesn't have to be, but it's a huge part of the way that I was able to get back to being able to do push-ups in any form, or at least full push-ups, and the knee plank eccentric versions. So I just want you to keep that in mind, to have a look for my shoulder stretch and pulse routines. And I definitely think you should add it in, possibly even before you try doing full push-ups, or even the knee plank eccentric version of push-ups. So I'll be getting those videos out as soon as possible. But yeah, look forward to the shoulder stretch and pulse routines. Just thought I should add that in. Do you hate doing push-ups as much as I used to? Well, I'll tell you how I got back into doing push-ups was starting with doorway push-ups, because I knew I had to get some strength in my arms and flexibility in my back. And I guess I just invented this myself. Now I'm sure other people have, but anyway, I just figured it out that I had to do some kind of push-ups, and doing full push-ups on the floor was so hard and painful for me that I knew I had to find a regression that would work for me. And I just started doing door push-ups just to wake up my muscles and shoulders and scapulas, and you can come closer, you know. And the other thing I love about this is you can go really deep like this and get some stretch on your back and shoulder blades and things like that. So I think doorway push-ups are a great place to start. It's a good, legit method to get started with push-ups. And let's continue on now. Some other regressions or simpler or easier versions of push-ups that I do. And some people might think this is ridiculous, and I think some people who want to get some kind of arm strength will find these pretty good. So a lot of stuff that I do, I'll start from the child pose position and just get in here like this. And Bruce Lee was famous for doing 2-finger push-ups. Well, I can do 2-finger push-ups too. And there's my 2-finger push-up, and it's just as valid and legit. Okay, and you'll also find that it really stretches out your hands. And so I'll do 3-finger push-ups. I guess 2 fingers and a thumb if you want to be technical. I will do 3-finger push-ups like this. I'll do 4-finger push-ups, and I just crack my pinky, and I love that because it gets the hand all nice and flexed and released. So I do all of these things. Can I just do it with my thumbs? Yeah. Okay. You can do the back of your wrists to help strengthen your wrists and stretch your hands the other way. And by the way, stretching your hands both directions, this way and this way, is important for all the muscles in your arms, which of course connect to your neck and back. So you need to stretch them out in all directions. Doing push-ups like this is good. So these are all push-up variations that every once in a while you should take the time to do this kind of stuff. Now, getting into more traditional style push-up things, of course, I think everybody knows you can do knee push-ups like this. And again, you can do variations on your fists, Can I do a 2-finger push-up here like this? I don't think so. Oh, that's really hard. So I don't think I'm going to do that right now. But the other thing, if that's too hard, is do a bent leg knee push-up. And do them like this. And then starting to straighten your legs out as you get stronger over a period of weeks and months. And then of course you can get into full push-ups. And what happened to me is I was doing push-ups for a long time, about 8 years ago, with my workout buddy. And then one day I tried to do full push-ups and my left shoulder just started giving me massive pain and I couldn't do them anymore without a lot of pain. And so I stopped doing full push-ups for a long time until COVID hit, and then I started doing my door push-ups and all these variations because I just decided I had to do some kind of pushing exercise, because I know, you know, if you can't do a full push-up or the full version of any exercise, just regress back and find a way to do that movement. So that's full push-ups. But here's something I just saw recently, and I just saw it in a clip on a video, and he wasn't even talking about this variation, but I just saw it for a second and I said, that's it. That's the variation that I need to start building up push-ups. And I call it the knee to plank to eccentric push-ups. Knee, plank, eccentric push-ups. And here's how it goes. And this is such a great intermediate step for push-ups. So you start on your knees. You do, you start here like this, and then you go up to the plank position, and then you just let yourself down. Then you push up to knees, you go to plank, and you let yourself down. Knee, plank, eccentric. Knee, plank, eccentric. Okay, now I'll tell you, I still find push-ups difficult. I don't have nearly half as much strength as I want, but I know this knee plank eccentric version is been helping me to build up. And I started just being able to do like 2 push-ups up to 4. I can do 10. Now I've been sick for a couple of weeks with the nasty flu, but you know, I got back up to doing 10 full good strong push-ups. I'm gonna keep doing the knee plank eccentric and also full push-ups. And there's one other variation that I came up with along the way, which you may or may not want to do. You might not have cushions like this, but I would strongly recommend everybody get a triple cushion like this, because it can be used in so many ways. And you can just start doing push-ups like this and get the motion going. Move your body out farther. Can I do 2? Well, let's try 3-finger push-up. Okay, strengthen your hands, strengthen your wrists, go out a little farther. Okay, keep going. So now you can gradually build up your strength. And let's see what happens when I go all the way out here. Oh yeah, that's getting hard. Okay, so that should be enough push-up variations to get you started and get you to where you want to go. But for now, the rest of your life, you can do some version of a pushing exercise and keep your body strength building up, because you got to be able to pull things and you got to be able to push and balance the front and back of your body. All right, push-ups.